One day, I was sitting with my grandfather when he asked me,
Son, if you're only earning money but never growing it, do you really think your life will change?
That question hit me hard. Because every month I worked hard, made money, and still ended up broke again. Grandfather said,
Remember this, earning money doesn't make someone rich, growing money does.
I asked him, what does growing money even mean? He smiled and said,
Most people sell their time for money. They work, get paid, and spend it all again. But smart people build systems where money works for them.
That was the first time I realized maybe the problem wasn't my income. Maybe it was my mindset. Then he asked me another question.
If your income stopped today, how long could you survive?
The truth was uncomfortable. Grandfather explained,
You're trapped in a cycle. Work, earn, spend, repeat. And this cycle never ends until you decide to break it.
He said something I'll never forget.
If hard work alone made people rich, every laborer in the world would be a millionaire. Hard work creates income. Systems create wealth.
Now everything started making sense. He told me about two people with the same salary. The first person increased his lifestyle every time his income increased. New phone, new clothes, more spending. Slowly, he became trapped in pressure and endless bills. The second person lived differently. Every month, he saved a portion of his income and invested it wisely. So just saving money? Grandfather replied,
No, saving protects money, investing grows it.
He explained that money is like a seed. At first, nothing seems to happen. Growth feels slow. That's why most people quit too early. But with patience and discipline, that tiny seed eventually becomes a tree. Years later, that second person's money started generating more money. Eventually, he no longer worked because he had to. He worked because he wanted to. Then Grandfather gave me the final lesson.
In the beginning, you work for money. But one day, if you're patient enough, money starts working for you.
And honestly, that completely changed the way I look at life and money.